it's Kasha Panorista 101. Today I'm going to be showing the brand new book from Live Love Posh called Summer Love. This is coming out on May 30th at 1 p.m. Central Time. It is 30 pages and it's $22 for a sticker book. If you are shopping, if you use code KASHA10, you will get 10% off. I really appreciate anytime you guys use my codes. But yeah, this is basically the book. It is very summer themed in summer, like fun in here. So you have tiki bars, you have beaches and camping, and lots of tropical elements, which is so fun. And of course, beach and tropics, and look at that waterfall. All of this stuff is just so gorgeous. Lots of florals as always. It wouldn't be Live Love Posh if there was no florals. But yeah, this is a gorgeous book. Look at this. That's so stunning. That's still like very springy. I love it. I love themes like this. And this color combo is so pretty. But yeah, there's a lot of different themes in here. Look at that. Like you have a whole tiki bar. So cute. Like by the pool, by the pool. A full pool, like so cute. And then this is full tropics. So fun. So yeah, this is basically the whole book. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're planning to purchase it. But I love it and couldn't wait to share it with you. Have a great day. Bye.